Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and another video. In today's video we are going on a bit of a rescue mission. If you've seen our Peaks video, Ride Out in the Peaks, you'll have seen Annie, the 1958 Austin A35. She had a few overheating issues, and after a few checks at the side of the road, some emergency repairs, we discovered that the head gasket seems to have gone. So we're going to get that repaired. If you haven't seen the catastrophe, I'm sure we'll put a link up here of the trip out, and you'll see the issues that she had, bless her. So we've got a full complement of new parts. We've got head gasket, new radiator, water pump, carb rebuild kit because there's a little bit of a fuel leak. And we're going to give her a new lease of life. So fingers crossed she'll be good to go for many more journeys, and the next journey out with us, hopefully. Fingers crossed. So join us today and you will see what happens. Thanks very much. Annie the Austin. Head gasket, water pump. Got a water pump?
Yeah.
Yeah. Radiator. Change. And carb rebuild. Only not a rebuild, it's just gasket. It's got a little weep. Let's go. Progress update, or update even. Heads off, water pumps out. It's all gone fairly well, to be fair. Bolts all came out. We've got it organised on the floor, even though it doesn't look like we have. Just giving stuff a lick of paint now and a good clean, and then it'll all go back together. Easy peasy. Okay.
Yeah, it is. It's a real place.
Done. Moment of truth. Will it start? So carb's empty of fuel because we rebuilt the carb as well. Success. We'll let that warm up for a bit now. Once it's warmed up, we'll wait for the thermostat to open up, circulate the water, going to dump the water out of it, put fresh coolant in it. Very nice. Right guys, all done. It was a successful day, to be fair. Everything came off as it should do. I think she just wanted a little bit of work doing to her, really, to be fair. Every bolt came out, no problem at all. Nothing fought us. The head's not warped, which is great news. But it was a failed gasket. And a failed radiator as well. The radiator was so bad that the water couldn't pass through it properly, which I guess in turn blew the head gasket. It only blew the water jacket though, which is good news. So it didn't actually go into the cylinders or anything. The cylinders are all in good nick. It's you can still see the honing on the side walls of the cylinders, so yeah, it's really good. And as you could see there, we put it all back together, and once you filled the float bowl on the carburettor, fired straight up, no problem at all. We took her for a test drive, and albeit not quite as powerful as the Moggy, I say that, you know, the sheer power of the Moggy Minor, it drives brilliantly and sounds fab again, and no overheating, which is great news. So that's all fixed, so she's ready for her next outing. So if you like this one, give us a like. If you just remember, if you don't like it, give us 2 dislikes, because you might as well make a point of it, aren't you? And then join us on the next one, and don't forget, subscribe. See you guys.